Big one, dude.
Yep. I'm here.
No, that's a bass. Are you kidding me? This is silly, dude.
Come here. Okay.
Stoked it too, dude. I mean, stoked it. Stoked it. Can I have the pliers, please?
Here you go, sir.
This isn't seeking bronze. This is just like coming and picking bronze up.
Hey, bronze, we're here.
First chunker of the morning. See you later, beautiful. There he is. Yep. I have no idea. It's just dogging me. I got him hooked good. Sweet.
Good work.
Thanks, man.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna go back to throwing that for a bit.
There's one.
It's a chunker.
It's a chunker. God, them fish are so pretty, man.
It's a nice chunky fish. Good work.
Thank you, friend. What are them little black dots all over him?
That's a parasite.
Huh. Really? See you later, friend. I've not even done an intro yet. Just fishing. Yeah. See, that other one popped a piss out of it. Actually, get on the juice.
Yeah.
You juiceless bastard. There you, oh my god. Dude, that's a giant. They're loaded right out there. Yeah, he's coming. I think it's a big one. He feels big. Like the boat.
No, let me get by the boat.
Yeah. Thanks.
Only a 3.
Oh man, only a 3.
That's a good fish, dude. Good freaking work.
Thanks, bro. Throw right out there behind the boat. I'm just throwing straight up behind the boat. There's another chunkity dunk. God, dude, look how pretty that fish is. There he is.
Bigger?
Yep. Back here in that same spot, right at that green trees where I cast it at.
I got one.
Do you?
Giant one.
Okay, I do too, and it'll be all right. All right, we'll get him. I'll net mine and then just net yours, okay? Mine was just sitting there too, dude. Oh my god. Dude, oh god, mine's a big one too. Get yours, I got it. You're good. Mine's not that big. Oh my god, here. Oh. Hey, hey, come here, come here, come here. What did we just do? I've already been fishing a lot this morning. You guys have already saw some fish catches, and this is gonna be today's intro because it's honestly epic. That just happened. Ben just caught an absolute monster, doubled up, netted them both in the same net.
Yeah, we had no choice.
We had no choice. Like, we had two big fish, two big smallmouth. So we're gonna get them out of the net real quick.
Get some pictures.
Get some pictures and a weight. Dude, that is a freaking mega.
0?
Yep.
It's not that heavy. 413.
Dude, that's a 5-pounder. That's awesome.
That's a mega giant. Here.
There you go. Freaking double up, dude. You got Ben's giant and then my little one. Let's put this dude back. Absolutely gorgeous. Check this out, guys. That is chasing bronze right there. You ready?
Good work, dude.
This is so much fun. So much fun.
Those are the fish.
There he is.
Big one.
Yep.
Absolute freaking giant.
Got spot lock on? Yeah.
Here's the thing too, like, guys, don't think I'm a jerk for casting where Alex just cast. These smallmouth will get in pods, especially this time of year, so what you do is, when your buddy has a fish on while he's fighting him in, well, don't cast over his line, but cast back to where that fish came from.
Dogging me.
Yeah. Did you see him jump?
Mm-hmm.
Got me to get off spotlight?
Nah, it's good. It's good. Oh god. You're good, dude.
That's one of the ones we saw right there.
Oh, dude. I realized how big that fish was, man. That's awesome. He's a big one, man.
That's good. Really good. Good fish. Turn it back.
I'm going 3 and some change. What do you think?
Yeah. Let me see it again. Oh, no, you gotta
Okay.
take it off.
Dude, 4 on the dot. 4 on the dot.
That's a 4-pounder.
Dude. That is such, I was thinking like 2 and some change. She's so thick. 4-pounder. Golly, guys. Chasing bronze. Getting bronze. Loving bronze.
So, let's fish my nose. Like, stupid big.
They're pressured though, man.
There's one.
Oh my God, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Dude, that's a big one too.
Yeah, I'm in that.
You good, bud? I got it. Bro, he did exactly what I wanted it to do. Playing that thumb drag. Oh my God, there's a big one! It's a big fish! It's a big fish!
It's a giant.
Hey, come here. Dude. Oh God.
That's such a big fish.
That is such a big fish. Okay, sweetheart, stop. I'm gonna get you out of there. Yeah, you're hooked all to hell. Come here. Oh my. That is an absolute stud, dude. I'm just saying she's a 5'1", but whatever. Dude, I don't care. That's a giant.
That's a freaking
That's a tank. Here, come on. Stick them dorsals out. Come on. There you go.
such a big
Get them out. All right, sweetheart, you ready to go back? God, look at her. Gorgeous. All right, baby, come on. Let's get you back in the water. Eat my jerk bait, my mighty. There he is.
You were way up on that guy. Alex is like, over deep water? Nah, fam. Cast it into 3 foot.
Oh, I don't think it's a smallmouth.
I catch him on bed down jerkbaits.
My God, where's he going?
Deep water.
Oh, that's a smallmouth.
The big one. No,
Yeah, he ain't that big.
he's only 3 pounds. Shake him off.
I almost killed myself coming to the back of the boat.
Want to move your batteries so they're not sitting on the...
No, I like them right there, all right?
Alex is like, if you have to walk to the back, you have to dive 4 things to get back there.
Yeah.
It's an honor to get you back in the boat. It's not a privilege that you take lightly. Not have to go to the back of the boat.
Look at him. He's huge. He's huge.
Put him close to the camera. Make him look.
Look how big he is. Look how big he is. He is pretty though.
He is pretty.
I like those black dots. It makes them unique looking.
Yeah, that's a grub.
There he is. Nope, that's grass. Never mind. Nope, that's a fish.
Big one?
It's a big something. Oh my God, get the net, dude.
Yeah. Got you, that's a big fish.
Oh, it's grass.
That's 5. Maybe a 4 or 5. Bigger.
Oh my God, dude. That's a big one. It's heavy. Oh my God, dude.
Dude, that's big. That's at least
5.
4.5. I'm gonna say at least 4.5 so I don't big eye it.
Yeah. God, dude, her head's huge. Ooh, sweetheart. Watch yourself.
That's a big fish. That's not more than that.
Yeah. 412. Dude, that fish is so fat to be only 412, dude.
I'm telling you, I think it's the food. They just don't get really that fat on. Or they just don't get heavy on.
God, dude, look how pretty that fish is. That's an absolute freaking tank. All right, sweetheart. Oh, wow, dude, look at that. Look how big she is. All right, let's get you home. Keep on rocking it, baby. There he is, big net. Dude, that is a, he ain't that big. Thought he was. He's just fighting hard.
He's shallow. See what happens when I come back to the last juice? Trying to take you to that Christmas tree. You know, dummy.
It's a pretty good one. Don't roll him into the damn net. Stop it. Stop.
Okay, lift, ready? Ready? Lift.
They just put him in the net. God, dude, that fish is wide. Look how pretty that fish is. Look at that, guys. What is he, Ben?
3 1/4.
No, what is he? He's gall dang gorgeous.
God dang gorgeous.
Gall dang.
God dang. Bartle Bay.
We could fish the juice here. Load up, start heading back. There he is. Yep.
Move up shallow.
Right in that same spot I caught all them other ones. He's a good one.
Big fish.
Long.
Big fish, dude.
That's a big
That's a
fish.
long fish. Get the board out real quick. That's not big.
Okay, where's the check out this fish's eye. He's blind.
Oh, you must have blinded him.
No, dude, he's been blind. Four, 6. Another absolutely gorgeous fish. A little bit of a jacked up eye there. That's kind of crazy. Ready? She is.